Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we'll continue learning block 1, that is about me. As a part of the block 1, today's topic is likes and dislikes. Let us get started, children. Aim of today's class. Aim means what are we going to learn? We already know a few things about our friends. How? Because in the previous class we all learned how to share our details with others. So now in a class when we are discussing, we will come to know a few things about our friends. But today what are we going to learn? We will learn about the likes and dislikes of everyone. So when we learnt about Nora James, we learnt that she likes to play football, to fly kites, like that. Even you all expressed what do you like and also some of your dislikes. So now we all know the likes and dislikes of our friends also. So let us start from that. What are we going to get learned, children? Yeah. So now today's keywords are value and hobby. These two words, value. Let us see meaning of the word value. To give importance. So we need to value the likes and dislikes of all in the family and also our friends. So value means what, children? To give importance. To give importance. Next word is hobby. What do you mean by hobby? An activity we do in our free time. Many of you express different activities which you like. So what do you mean by hobby? An activity we do in our free time. So to understand about the likes and dislikes of our friends, we are going to, today's activity has a tabular column. So in your rough book, just you can write, no need to copy the tabular column, just you can write likes and dislikes. See here, the fruit you like, the food you like, color you like, and the game you like to play. Dislikes, the fruit you don't like to eat, the food item which you always you don't prefer to eat, and also the color you dislike, and also the game which you don't like to play. So this, when you fill this table and when we compare with our friends, we will come to know that what is our liking, what is our friends, what do they like and what do they dislike. Just in your rough book you will write like, dislike. No need to copy fruit, food, color, game. Just you can write the name of the fruit you like, name of the food you like if you know, or you can draw also, and color what you like, and the game which you like. Which you don't like, that also can be filled. Then we can discuss with our friends. So as you are at home now, you can compare with your, even with your siblings likes and dislikes, or your parents likes and dislikes, and you can come to know that likes and dislikes changes from person to person. So now, so in this context, let us try to watch one video. See here, children, mango and apple picture you can see. Some of you might be liking mango, some of you might be liking to eat apple, some may dislike also. See here, snakes and ladders. Some of you like to play snakes and ladders, some like to play with bat and ball. Even the clothes, some of you like red color, some red color clothes, and some like the green color. So what do we understand from this? We all are different. We all don't like the same color or same food or same things. We all are different. Yeah, you can see here in your content book, there is a textbook. We can see all of us have different likes and dislikes. We love to do different things like dancing, singing, playing, and cycling in our free times. These activities are called our hobbies. We should value the likes, dislikes, and hobbies of each other. We should not think that what I like is the best. So that should not be developed, and always we should value the likes and dislikes of other people also. Now you can see here two kids how they are exchanging. I like to eat mango and red color, and he want to keep dog as a pet, and also he adds up I like to cycle in my free time. You see about the girl, what she says, I like to eat grapes, I like green color, I like to keep cat as a pet, I love to draw. See here, their likes and dislikes are varying from each other, but even then we have to respect each other, we have to value the likes and dislikes of the other people also. Yes, no children? Now let us see what is given in the worksheet. In your workbook 1.2, likes and dislikes, already you have done one worksheet on this. So in the workbook, same way you are going to do the activity what is given here. You have to write the date, children, as usual. Draw one vegetable you like to eat. So you can draw any one vegetable which you like to eat. Next, tick the things you like. Cross out the things you dislike. Ask your partner and tick, cross out for your partner. Check if your likes and dislikes are the same or different. As you are at home, you can compare with your mom or dad or with your sibling, and you can complete this activity, children. Your partner, you can keep your mother as your partner, or father as your partner, or your siblings as your partners, or grandparents as your partner, and complete this. Apple, cat, cricket, and soft boy. So you will be ticking or crossing. Ticking means you like it, crossing means you dislike it. Same thing you have to do for your partner also. What will you do if your friend does not eat what you like? So what we should do? Why? So if your friend does not eat, you are liking something but she does not like, what you have to do? We have to we should say that why are you not eating and all. We have to force her to eat, or we should value her likes and dislikes. Think and answer, children. Only value others, likes, dislikes. Very simple, 3 words only important. Value, likes, dislikes of others. Just think and you complete this, children. Next part of the lesson, we will see one question. You see, what are the things most of us like and dislike? So this also can be compared in a family. We have different likes and dislikes. Food, fruit, game, clothes, color, and hobbies. After comparing with our family members, as you are at home now, later you can come to a conclusion. Mostly what we all are liking, mostly what is the thing not liked by the many of the members in the family. This also can be done, and you can compare the things mostly liked by others. Now you see, children, what will you do if your friend likes the things you dislike? What if he eats eggs and you dislike them? So as we saw the last question of the workbook, same thing only, children. See, all of us have different likes and dislikes. If my friend eats eggs which I don't like, I will not stop him from eating them. I will value his likes and dislikes. So in the notebook, I told you to write what you will, fruit you like, what you will, game you like to play. Down to that, you have to write this, children. I will value others' likes and dislikes. That is very, very important part of today's learning. So as usual, you will complete the worksheet, and then we will see some more questions are there in your content book. That also we will try to complete, children. Practice questions in your content book. Circle the hobby. First question, sleeping at night, bathing, painting. So what is your hobby? You can circle it. Write one game you like to play and one game you don't like to play. So there only you can write with your pencil, or in the rough book where you are writing, just you can write the question number, and you can day 2 you can start writing just the words only. What will you do if your friend does not like the game you like? So as I told you to write, I will value the likes and dislikes of other people, or my friends' likes, and valuing the likes and dislikes of other people is very, very important. We have to value the likes and dislikes of all the people in our family or in a school or wherever we go, children. Why? It is because all of us have, you have to understand that all of us have different likes and dislikes. Yes, we will value each one's likes and dislikes. And after completing the workbook, you will complete the practice question also. Okay, now time for some more practice. Write the names of 10 animals in your notebook. Circle the animals you like and underline the animals you don't like. So if you are unable to write 10 animals name, you can go for 5 animals name, and you can circle the animals you like and underline the animals you don't like. Then again you have to exchange with your partner. Here, as you are at home, you can exchange with your sibling and you can understand that how the likes and dislikes are different from one another. Yeah, hope so children. When we started with learning about ourselves, that is myself, and you shared what all you like and dislike with your friends, and also we are coming to understand that likes and dislikes varies from person to person, and it is very important to value the likes and dislikes of other people in a family and also among our friends and the society. So complete the worksheet 1.2 and then complete the practice questions in your content book. Then go for this activity, that writing the animals names and circling and underlining in the rough book, and be ready for the next class children. Bye bye children.